This is the SKG foldable neck massager with heat. This was sent to me for free to test out and make a video, but all opinions are my own, and this is how it arrives. Really nice packaging. This packaging is really well done. You open up the box here and your massager unit is sitting in there. It comes with a set of instructions so you know how to use it. And inside of this box right here, you're going to get about a 20-inch long charging cable because this is a rechargeable device. And the way you charge it is right here. It's a Type-C cable. You just plug it in right here and this light turns red when it's charging and it turns blue when it's done. It has 9 vibrating massage heads and this section right here where the heat comes out because it heats up too. It is very, very comfortable, and the sections that hold it in place on your neck are super soft. One of the things I really like about this is that it actually talks to you while you're pressing the buttons because it's tough to remember what every button click is supposed to do at first. So I like that it tells you what it's doing. Once you have all the features figured out, and if you don't want to use the voice feature anymore, there's a silent button right here. You can just slide this over and put it in silent mode. You're going to press this and long press it to turn it on. You can see it actually going to work right here. It has 5 different preset modes that you can use as is, or you can set it to one of the modes and customize it by changing the intensity of the vibration, the pulse level, and the heat, or all 3 of them. And you do that by pressing these buttons. This thing goes up, down, left, and right, and you press in the center to change the mode.
Soothing mode, relax mode, vitality mode, relief.
Me personally, I like to set everything on high and just let it do its thing. I mean, it obviously doesn't feel like a masseuse has their hands on your neck, but it sends these vibrations and pulses into my neck that actually feel pretty intense after a while. If I'm sitting in a chair watching TV or something, sometimes I'll flip it upside down and put a little pressure on it to force the vibrations into different parts of my neck and my shoulders, but mostly I just wear it while I'm working on my computer. When you set it to a mode, it just runs through that particular cycle and it eventually shuts itself off when it's complete, and it tells you cycle complete when it's done. And if you have this thing on full intensity like I use it, it actually digs in there pretty good. I was pleasantly surprised. It is lightweight, it's portable, it's foldable. These guys fold up right here, so if you want to throw it in a bag or something, it's easy to do, easy to store. It can be used at home or at work, in the car, and I really like this thing. Very nice.